Hello everyone, my name is Nishma. I am 7 years old. Today's my topic is how to tell 41 to 60 numbers. Let's start. 41 Fortyon 41 42 Fortytwo 42 43 Fourthythree 43 44 Fortyfor 45 Fourtyfive 46 Fourtysix 46 47 Fourtyscven 47 48 Fourtyeigt 48 49 Fourtynine 49 50 Yay! Fifty 50 51 Fiftyone 51 52 Fiftytwo 52 53 Fiftythree 53 54 Fiftyfor 54 55 Fiftyfive 55 56 57 56 Fiftyxix 56 57 Fiftyseven 57 58 Fiftyyeigt 58 59 Fiftynyne 59 60 Yay! Sixty 60